Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So for this video, I will gonna show you how you can hide the post that you will share from specific friends on Facebook. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to not show your shared posts to your specific friends on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. But before I show you how, first, let me find a post that I will share, for example. So let's say that this is the post that you want to share, for example. So to share the post, just tap the share button. And to hide this post that you will share from specific friends, just tap this. And after that, go to the Friends Accept option. After that, all your Facebook friends will appear. To hide the post you're sharing from specific friends, simply tap the minus button next to their names. Those with the red minus button will not see the post that you will share. And so now that you're done selecting who you will hide the post from, you can now tap Done. And for the last step, you can now tap this to finally share the post. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the post will now be shared but will not be shown to the specific friends you selected earlier. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.